Hello, everybody. Hi. What's your callsums? Hi. Hello, everybody from YouTube. This is really weird. I've never it's been a hot minute since I've streamed on YouTube. I'm really not used to it anymore. But yeah, hello everybody. It's nice to see y'all. I'm so used to just having the Twitch peeps here, and so I'm just oh god, what do I do? But yeah, hello everybody. Hello. It's nice to see y'all. What's your cosmos? We've got a game dev stream today, which I'm really excited about. I was working on it up till midnight last night, getting everything prepared for this because I'm just really excited. Also, Michaela, thank you for the compliment. You can't see me, that's okay. Yeah, I haven't switched over the screens yet. It's gonna be a faceless stream today because your girl has only gotten 4 hours of sleep because I was up till midnight working on stuff for the stream today, and then I proceeded to play Minecraft with my friend for 3 hours, and then I didn't, and I woke up early for Minecraft Live. So let's check all of those. Let me switch over. I can switch over the screens to. Hello, we're gonna be an RPG maker today. I was gonna say, did you guys enjoy Minecraft Live if you just watched that? What you call some? Hello, is this cute video game girl? Oh my god, am I cute? Thank you. You guys, I am so thrilled about the frogs. You guys, there's frogs in Minecraft now, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna call all of them Chonko, because that's what they just look like. They're so cute. They're so cute. But yeah, I was super thrilled about the LA winning. I ended up voting for the little copper boy in the end, but I was just no matter what, I was when I saw what it went down to, I was just we're gonna win either way. So I just, oh my god, that whole Minecraft Live, the deep dark, I am absolutely terrified by that, you guys. I am absolutely terrified. That is scary as hell. I'm going to cry playing it. Yesterday, I was freaking out playing Phasmophobia yesterday. I don't know how I'm going to deal with the deep dark. But, the underground, cities, that's so cool. It's so heckin' cool. Frog is bog, exactly. And the mud, I was laughing so hard because I was watching it with a friend, and I was just we were both yep, Tommy has found his new favorite block, because we were watching Phil's stream together. But what she calls him, we find out at the end, yes, Tommy is very happy. Okay, what she calls him. So I just want to talk about all of that so much, but I know I do have to actually get onto the stream. Kid Tommy and adult Tommy, that was so funny. When he's I must dominate adult Tommy. I must be adult Tommy now. But yeah, you guys, I know that y'all don't get as many sneak peeks as Twitch Gang does. So I just kind of wanted to show what I have for the game right now and just kind of explore it. Which reminds me, I should probably pause the music for now. Yeah, let's pause the music for right now. Lily Pichu, I love you. I'm gonna have to pause you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Lily. Let's see. Okay. So, if you're new here and you're whoa, wait, is there fireflies too? I love fireflies. Yes! The fireflies too! I love the little 2-pixel fireflies. They're great. Okay, so if you're new here, I have been working for the past month or so. I've been working on a Dream SMP fan game. And it'll be an RPG game, sort of like Undertale-esque. And it's been something that I'm really excited about. You may have seen stuff on here in YouTube or spammed on TikTok, because that's mostly where I post little updates. But yeah, let me think. What is some? I'm sure you guys have already seen all the Goop Shoop stuff and and kind of the main area, but you guys haven't seen the Camar van yet, Maybe you, wait, you have, shit. Well, there's a new area. Some things that I have been working on recently, especially last night. I'm adding, sounds to the doors, which is, we're actually going to go through and do some, updating some already, like, made events for that. Actually, should I do that now? Nah. Let's see. Where do I want to show? I'm going to show, let's see, connect camera. You know what? Let's start over here, because I do... You know what? Let me show you first. What I've been working on right now, recently, has been the battle system. It's not done by any means. Luckily, I managed to find a plugin that kind of gives it a Undertale-esque sort of, like, battle system, which I'm really, really excited about. Nope, what the fuck is all that? What is that? That looks terrifying. I'm still working on, like, animations and everything. I'm trying to figure out how to move around the characters, because as you'll see, here's, like, a bee encounter. Let's do the battle test for this. There's not going to be any sounds, because I haven't, put the sounds. Thank God we needed door sounds. Yeah, I know, I've been working on, 2 games simultaneously, original game. And as you can see, like, and this, so, like, I figured out how to do door sounds on the other game, and I was like, well, we got added to this game now, too. But yeah, as you can see, he's floating in the air, and you can actually, with RPG Maker, you can actually move around the main character and, like, put their position, which is really, really annoying, because you can do that with the mobs, but you can't with the, actual, like, the main character that you fight as. So, It's very annoying. It's very annoying. And so, like, I've got to fix that. So as you can see, it says Big B emerged. I did update the the font last night, as well as the window boxes that show up. So Big B emerged. So, like, you basically, like, you fight. There's still so much more I need to add to this. Like, this is not going to look, actually any the same. I have, like, the concept, I have concept art of what I do actually want it to look like. This is a sprite. It's what I use to make all the sprites. Let's see, Goop Shoot. No, let's see. System. Fighting bar demo, no. Let's see. Fight? I think it's fight. No, fight, a sprite. Okay. Essentially, this is what I want the whole, like, system to kind of look like. Ignore the press X thing. I don't know if I'm actually going to do that. But, let's see. But then there's like, it's going to have, like, attack, because you're going to be mainly playing as Tommy. And so then you're going to have, the basic attack where you, like, use your sword and just, like, stab. Oh, yeah, Corey, what's your Twitch? It's Pink Corey. It's Pink Cori. Pink Corey. And I'll show y'all the plugins later. Hey, Corey, opinions on the new Minecraft update? I'm so excited! I'm so excited, you guys, for the new Minecraft update. It's beautiful. Okay, so it's so you have the basic attack, which is stabby with the sword. Let's see. Also, Chew Trucks, hell yeah, welcome back. Let's see. Taunt is going to be a specific Tommy attack. I want to say it's like kind of it's when you can use it when you get the TP all the way up. It's kind of a super move where what happens is that Tommy will, like, deliver a, like, scathing, like, just taunt. Like, he will make fun of whatever enemy they're facing. And what I want to do, I want to program it so that way it'll deliver very, very specific dialogue. Be like, if he's fighting Sapnap, he's directly insulting Sapnap. If he's fighting a bee, he's going to directly insult a bee with, like, its own, like, little text box and, like, saying, like, just very specific things aimed towards whatever he's fighting. And it'll do, like, super damage or something. And so, I just see that. Did anybody ever say no to you? Oh my god, also Pebble Brain, you guys. Can we talk about Pebble Brain? I am vibing with The Fall. The Fall will, like, it makes me so happy to listen to The Fall. It's an entire experience. And then there's Guard. Guard was originally, I was going to kind of use, like, a buddy system sort of, like, thing where you'd have to press X at the exact right time to guard. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna try really, really hard to get that happening, but I just don't know if I'm gonna have it, at least for the demo, which I'm planning to release. I'm hoping will be finished sometime in November. It may be more towards the end of November, but if I can just do that, that would be great. But yeah, so there's the so if you press X at the right time, it would block the entire attack, which I'm hoping. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Let's see. Then obviously like the items. So I wanted to also over here I wanted to keep like the little like heart thing, the little heart system, sort of like kind of Minecraft, since this is like basically like just a fan game of a Minecraft RP. That is just like it's gonna I kind of wanted to see if I can do that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull that off, but fingers crossed. And then a TP bar, which will be basically like load up the taunt. I'm not entirely sure how I want that to work yet. That's still stuff that I have to go through and look. But yeah. Are you also on Twitch? Hell yeah. I am Pink Cory on Twitch. It's PinkCoori. What is it? Will the game be free to download? It will be. Because this is basically like a remake of the Cameravan little events around the Cameravan like those streams. Is it one? I can't remember if it was just one stream. It probably was just one stream. But yeah, because it's like that specific story and it's just like a retelling of it. I didn't really feel comfy about charging for that, because I am putting in so much work on this game. I just did not feel comfortable though with like taking something that like wasn't even really my story. So it's gonna be free. It's gonna be released on itch.io because believe it or not, you guys, to post it on Steam costs $100, I believe. $100 may be the thing that it costs money to be able to put it on Steam. Your girl is broke. So I'm like not able to like even afford that right now. I'm mainly focusing on paying rent, that kind of the important stuff. So it's just going to be on itch.io. There is going to be like a little option because itch.io has this option generally. You can pay as you want. It could either be $0 or if you just want to like throw $5 at me, just as a little tip, like, it's okay. Like you can totally do that. But like regardless, like it'll be free because I know like not everybody can afford that. And also it's a fan game. I'm not going to, charge money for that. So yeah, basically you fight. Okay, so this is where the fun part comes in because this is where the Undertale sort of system is. It's gonna show this bar. It's gonna show this bar that you use to like make an attack. Now, while what would I say? While you're gonna see the bar here, it's not gonna be the final design. I just need to throw up something real quick just to see if it works, so I can attack big B, and then I'd like hit somewhere. Oh fuck. I got rid of so many audios. Shit. Okay. That crashed because I got rid of so many audios. Fuck. Let's see. Sword. Okay, there's stuff that I have to go fit. I got rid of like all the audio and I didn't think about the ramifications of that, which is okay. I got most of the important stuff. Fuck. Let's see. I guess it's probably animations. I don't know. I'll look at this later. But essentially you just like hit the bar, and yeah, that's what happens when you go like through like something game dev related, and you're just like, I'm just gonna not think about it and just take off everything. So now I need to adjust everything as well. What you calls them? Let's see. Okay, so yeah, so that's the kind of look into what I want the fighting system to be. I'm like a quarter way there. It's gonna be what you call them? I'm getting closer every day. So I'm working really hard on my free time with that. Let's see. So let me give you a little look into kind of the new place. This was actually made on Twitch, which is really fun. because it's a new game. Yeah, that base like little area is really oh, what is up with this thing right here? No, don't do that. Okay, it's gone. I was gonna say, that sort of base, that sort of base screen that you first see, like that's just the basic bitch thing that shows up. Let's see. Midori, can I still talk about arson and Las Drogas cult, or is YouTube scarier about that stuff? I don't know. You chaotic little shit. This is your most wholesome stream ever. I know. What she calls, I love my wholesome streams. So you like go around here and you be like, behold, the wild mushroom. Over here. The mushroom stares back at you, judging you for your sins. Eh. I think I may update the portraits to have borders as well. I'm thinking about that. There's this one. Oh, look! It's a widow mushroom! Ooh, woo. I hate it here. And then over here. It's just a mushroom. Kind of weird you took the time out. So I adjusted the text. So I have to go back and fix some text stuff. Kind of weird you took the time out of your day to go stare at it, huh? Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna go up here. I feel like I should have some sort of like room changing or I don't know if I should have some like room changing sound, but yeah. Love the Goop Shoop. Also, have you seen the Minecraft Live announcements? Yes, I was watching it and it was really, really cool. I'm excited. What coding program do you use? I'm just using RPG Maker, so it's not really like a coding language. It's kind of like its internal coding language almost. Okay, so here's the Camar van, and you go inside. Okay. That, I wonder if that was like a little bit, let's go to the camera van. Behold, welcome to the coding language. It's literally, it'll give you options, to go through and do different things. This, I think I need to, let's see, actually, let me change the weight for this. Let's edit. I feel like that ended it a bit too early, the sound effect. So I'm gonna, let's put the starting position over here so we don't have to walk the entire time. I'm wondering if it, was a bit too much. Screw it, the mushroom is my new favorite character. I love the mushroom so much. It was so fun. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, yeah, that sounds a lot better. I can't really leave here because Wilbur will try to stop me. He's like, you actually just tried to leave? You just got here, bitch. And then Tommy's like, my bad. Also, I did update the sprites. That way they're bigger. They used to be smaller, but I did upgrade them, and I made sure that Wilbur's actually taller than Tommy this time. So I should call him. So Wilbur is taller than Tommy this time. Let's see, what do you think about the mob vote? I am really excited. I wanted the LA to win, but I ended up voting for the Copper Boyo in the end. Let's see. OMG, I just noticed the thing on top of Tommy's head. It looks so cute. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm getting rid of the also, I'm gonna be getting rid of these little text box, like the little Wilbur, where it says like Wilbur or like Tommy above their head, because like we all know who they are. And we say their names enough to where like I don't think that it's actually like we don't actually need it. We don't need it anymore. So actually, why don't I go inside the camera van? Let's see. I can show you guys a little bit of the stuff in there if you've never seen any of this. Where's the camera van? Corey, where'd you put the camera van? Camera van outside? Where's the camera van inside? Where have you hidden? Oh, it's over. Nope, not that one. Not that one. Right here. Here we go. That's camera van side area. Here's the main one. So you can go to Wilbur. So we're gonna edit. We're gonna go through and edit these. We're gonna take away all the names. We don't need the names anymore. I don't want that. Also, because I did edit the windows, we're gonna change this all to windows. Also, after we finish editing all this stuff, we're gonna move on to a new room. A new room that No one else, even Twitch has not seen this yet. So you guys get the good stuff. Also, frog. I love the frog. I screeched so much. Is this RPG Maker? Which one? It looks so good. This is the RPG Maker MZ. And what is it? RPG Maker MZ, and it's my own sort of artwork for it. So if you're wondering like where I got like the graphics for it, I made it myself with a sprite. Though what if a non-MYCT fans play the game? I do normally have the characters like kind of introduce one another. So honestly, it just be like Undertale. Like y'all remember their names like after it being introduced, and then never had reminders of their name. But whenever a new character is introduced, their name will be said, and it will be said kind of like multiple times. So that way you get used to the name that, oh, this is Wilbur if you've never seen it, if you've never heard of the Dream SMP before. So just, I was like, I really don't need to like have like a constant reminder of like the name like right there. Also, it's annoying to have to write all the time. Let's see, let's go window. Why do I have, oops. I always like double click it to try to edit it, but you need to, oh, I can press space? That's been a thing? What? Hold on. Let's see, dim, okay, we want window. Oh my god, I didn't know I could do that. That could make my life so much easier. What the hell? Why am I like, I'm so scared to curse on YouTube. I curse all the time on Twitch. Let's see, okay. You'll learn new things every day. I'm not an expert with this, with any of this. This is the first game that I've ever made. So I'm learning these things as I go along. It's why I don't like when people do ask for, in-depth tutorials. I'm like, I don't know. I'm learning as I go along. I haven't learned. I'm just barely learning any of this. Okay, so we're just gonna get rid of the name. So we're just basically gonna go through all of this main room and kind of like switch it all up and see how it works. Also, thank you for the compliments, you guys. I really appreciate it. It's very nice to hear, like, it's very nice for the support that I've been getting for this game, because I've been working really hard on it and spending like a lot of time. Let's see, I don't know how long I was working on it yesterday. I think I was going to from like I started working at 5 o'clock yesterday in the evening on the game, and then I like kept on going until midnight. It's like it takes a lot of time to get stuff done because I'm doing the art, I'm doing like the programming and like the game design. I'm doing everything except for the music for it, which I have which I already have music that I'm using for already. So luckily I've got that, and I've got some commissioned, which is like really fun, like the Goop Shoop theme. It was made by Zane Little Music on Fiverr because, oh, what happened? Everything just glitched out for a second. Let's see. Your art style is so pretty. Thank you so much. Funny if Tommy name changed every time he talked. It's just like randomly Fred. I really like how how the game is going. It gives me more in Undertale vibes. Hell yeah. What is the software you're using? I am using RPG Maker MZ. For making the sprites, I use, what do I use? For when I make the sprites, I use Asprite. It's ASEPRITE. You can get it on Steam, and it works really well for me. I think I honestly, like, I didn't realize that I'd love the soft. Oh, wait, what did I just do? Cancel that. I didn't think that I'd love the software that much, but it it is actually very useful for pixel art. So if you're ever like, I think it's like $15-$20. I think that is definitely something worth investing in if you want to do pixel art, like even as a hobby, I guess, but just like get more into making pixel art. Let's see. Oh, also, these explanations. So these are events. So if you interact, like press the enter button against any of these tiles, because you can't pass them, so they're kind of like the borders as well. These tiles will will bring up the text box. So like these texts that I'm editing, that's the text box. Your voice is really nice. Thank you so much. Are you gonna put more music discs in the future? I was thinking about it. Maybe I would like. I feel like I'm trying to walk the tightrope of how much Minecraft music can I get away with putting in this game before I get in trouble. I don't know if I'll get in trouble. I have to like look into it and be like, okay, it's a free game. It's a fan game. Like, can I get away with just like dead ass like putting like a bunch of Minecraft music into it? Because if I can get away with that, that would be really, really cool. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, also, let me show you guys my plugins that I use. Okay, so the fossil, because you can't, what I'm doing now wouldn't be possible if I didn't have like these plugins. The main one I use is the Galv Layer Graphics MZ. It creates a graphic layer, graphic layers for parallax mapping. So what that means is, I was gonna say, what that actually means is that, as you can see, this is not what shows up in the actual game. What it does, I have a plugin that if you bring up, it's like a little like line of text that activates this plugin that'll pull up a specific image, which is the background image that I make as well. Also, 2 trucks. Thank you so much, Mythor. You're awesome, even though I don't say it. It's cool. I think it's cool what you're doing. Amazing job, and everyone is proud of your hard work. You need to know that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Seriously, I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so what it does is basically it's a parallax mapping plugin that lets me show or it when the game starts, it'll show kind of like a layer, like a sort of like a picture that I made as the background instead of like what's shown here as the actual background. I think it's the easiest way to explain it. And I also have Play Messenger wind characters say MZ. I don't know what that even is. Or sound effect. So that's basically it plays a sound effect for each letter on the message window. It's how I get that actual, let me show you. It's how I get the actual like kind of like little blah 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 for the voice, little voice for the text. So I just have like a little like sort of like beep thing that is replayed over and over and over. So like for each I don't know exactly how it works, but that's how it does. What else? Animated pictures. If you see any animations in the game, it is used through this. I have animated pictures. We're going to explore that a little bit later with the next room that we're going to be working on, because I do have some animations that we're going to be adding there. Or one. I haven't really used a skip video. I have the WASD KeyMZ. Basically, you can use WASD to walk around as well. Let's see. What else? The time to attack. That's the time to attack. That is the battle. That's the plugin that we're using so far for the battle system. There's also something that I haven't really explored a lot. There's an option to do a time to attack wheel. Maybe that'll be something that I do for maybe that might be something I do for something. I don't know. This is a to be continued thing that I'll look at later. Save core, I haven't really explored that. Fossil, it lets me use like some RPG Maker MV, which is a different version of RPG Maker plugins. I really haven't found use for it yet. Oh, actually, I think I have a little bit. These time to attack things right here, I believe are for MV originally. I think, yeah, that's basically the plugins that I use. Okay, so we're gonna go back to here because I need to finish. I need to finish editing all of this. Let's bring that to window. Yeah. I don't know. I'm really, really excited. Oh yeah, I was gonna go through the commonly asked questions because I've been meaning to make a sort of like FAQ for that, because like I just get the same questions asked by people like all the time, which like isn't any of y'all's fault. It's just like a normal thing to be like, hey, I want to know what this is. But it gets very, 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 very exhausting answering the same things all over again. But I'm gonna have to get used to it, I guess. But okay, so first things first. Yes, this will be free. This will be released on itch.io for Windows computers. I'm looking into seeing if I can make it like adaptable to a Mac OSs as well. But it's a lot of things. Like I have to learn what to do for those specific things. Oops. So, what was I gonna say? Also, it will not be for phones. There's the, well, first off, I know that there's a way to kind of get this onto phones. At least with, the RPG Maker software. I do not know how I would get it to you. Please do not make me try to go to Google and Apple and be like, please put my Dream SMP fan game on your app stores, because I do not want to do that. Please do not make me. The same with people who have been asking if it can go on Switch or PS4 or Xbox. Please do not. Please imagine me going up to the Nintendo overlords and being like, hello, please put my fan game for the Dream SMP onto your store. Like, I do not want to do that. Please do not make me do that. I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, that's one thing. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of those and then copy paste the new one. Let's see. Surprised to see Corey streaming on YouTube. Yeah, it's a little. Oh yeah, it's also like a thank you. So I've gotten like so many like subscribers and just like people supporting me on here that I really just wanted to thank y'all and give y'all your own little stream, because I know I'm always streaming on Twitch instead. So. Also, I stream on Twitch. If you want to see me play some video games, I have a lot of fun, and like I like building a whole bunch of stuff in Minecraft. Chromebook, I'd have to look to see how Chromebooks work and what would be needed for that. What I'm prioritizing right now is Windows at the very least. Whap, 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 whap. Can I delete this person off the world? I don't know how to delete. Boo. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to ban the bot. I don't know. Remove. Can I just like remove use? Okay, just ignore the bot. I haven't learned how to mod for this yet. That's not a good thing to admit yet. Don't be mean to the bot. I can't help it. Oh my gosh, I just realized we need music. Behold, Lily Pichu. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, this is used making RPG Maker MZ. Let me actually. I need to turn this down in my ears a little bit. Okay, it makes it hard to like speak like when I have something like really loud in my ears. Okay, so that is yeah, RPG Maker MZ with a sprite. Justice for spam bot. Dude, the bots have been insane on YouTube recently. Are you gonna add any guests on the server like Corpse? I am not. I'm gonna keep it as sort of like as what is commonly there, like what's normally characters who are canonically there. And the only exception I've made is for Ranbu, and that is because, I will be honest, because I'm a hypocrite, and that was like the one character that I was like, oh, yeah, I can throw in Ranbu there, because I can get away with him, because of his, what would you call it, memory issues. I can get away with having him and Tommy meet ahead of time, just because, you guys are like, kill the bots, save the bots. I can get away with having Tommy and Ranbu meet ahead of time, just because Tommy would just like not acknowledge him, because he wouldn't remember him, because he's just kind of like just a random dude. But also, but on the other side, Ranbu would probably just forget or something, and just, you know, gonna use his memory issues for that. With the other people, I don't have the excuse to do that. Like with Technoblade, I can't. Technoblade, if I do continue the series and I do continue making more Dream SMP games, Technoblade would be a character that actually shows up and plays a significant part in one of the games. So I'm not going to introduce him early, just because I'd give him his moment. I want to have like the suspense for that, I guess. But yeah, I honestly, I don't think Ranbu really shows up even like in like the concept for this series. If I do make it a series, I cannot promise that I will, but it depends on how this all goes well, because like as it's a month into this game, and like I'm nowhere, like I'm not even near like 20%. I'm like at the bare bones like beginning. At least that's what it feels like. It probably is not even that much. But what was I gonna say? Brain, ADHD, why would you do this to me? Fudge monkeys in my soup. Let's see. Dang. This is literally what happens all the time with me. I just like, I go on this tangent and like, it's just like, I'll get distracted for 1 second and then like ADHD is like, you don't remember what you're saying. Oh yeah, the concept for it. So, I basically do, kind of like a trilogy. So I do, this would be the Kamar van. It's gonna end off with like the conception of like, hey, what if we made like, what if we made a city? Then Hard End right there, or a city, country. And then the next one would be, L'Manberg's fight for independence. Like L'Manberg's, just kind of like building up and then fighting for the independence against the Dream SMP. And then the third one, and the final one, I think, in the trilogy would be the election and Pogtopia arc. So, hi, I just came on stream. What are you doing? I am working on I'm cleaning up some stuff for the fan game right now. And then we're going to move on to adding an entirely new, never before seen, room to this, like, to this. Let's see. Okay. So, let's just start us out in here. Actually, no, we can just go with the normal one. So let's go take a look at this. Let's see if all of our work so far has been for good or for evil. Let's see. Okay, we can go through here. Okay, now we have a door sound, which is great. And we have the Steam little, like, thing over here just always spazzing out. Not sure what that is. Okay. Yeah, okay. See, I like it a lot better now that it doesn't have, like, the little, box up here being like, oh, this is person's name. Fuck you. Yes, I am. Whatever you say. Alright, if we go over here. Bottles of water and brewing stands are scattered. Okay, so across, got cut off, so I need to fix that. Across the table. Clean much? Alright. Leave it alone, Tommy. I don't want you breaking anything. Bitch. Let me go over here. Hey, Wilbur? Yeah? Where's the steering wheel? What? It's right Oh, huh. I don't know. Weird. Now, fun fact, that whole interaction is because I forgot to draw the steering wheel when I made this map, and I did not want to go back. I was so tired by the time I finished this. I was like, I do not want to go, what you call them. I don't want to go and go back and edit this and figure out how I want the steering wheel to look. So I was like, I refuse. So I just didn't draw it. Yeah, I don't know. Also, what is called let's see. I love how the stream has almost reached an hour and YouTube is trying to tell me you started streaming 8 minutes ago. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So yeah. So yeah, it did look like that. It did pretty good with that. But we do need to go through here, and move across the next line. Because the formatting rules where like normally it'd be like, oh yeah, you're safe to write until you hit this line and it should stay in the box. It doesn't apply because I switched up the font and the size of the text. So I have to like go through and like adjust all of these. In my in the other game I'm working on right now, which I'm gonna have a video out for that pretty soon. I'm just in the middle of editing it right now. That's like a big problem that I have because it's like it's a lot bigger text, and it's just like it's just how it's made is formatted a bit differently than it is in this fan game. So it's giving me a lot more trouble, but it looks nice. Let's get Corey. What is the scientific name for pig? Sus. Is it really sus? Wait, what? Why are you guys oh, get rid of all the steering wheels. Cars need no steering wheels. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh, I forgot to get like a drink real quick. Just a second. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been just like inhaling coffee and Coca-Cola since this morning, just cause like I'm running out of 4 hours of sleep, and I wish I could have slept more, but I'll sleep more tonight. Let's see. Okay, so we basically did I? Okay, I did do all of that. Let's go test it out real quick. So we just have to test out like until we see that it's right, because you don't ever want to assume that everything's okay without testing it out before, because like there'll be some scuff stuff that you'll miss that way. Let's see if we go over here. Bottles of water and brewing stand are scattered across the table. Normally I'd go and check every event, but because we're just streaming right now, I don't want to go through and like look at all of it. But I'll do that on my own time. Okay, so bottles of water and brewing stands are scattered across the table. Clean much? And stare. Okay, cool. So we got that. We have that all done. So what we're working on, what we're actually going to be working on now is let me make a new game, or not a new game, a new room. So we're just gonna call this forest dungeon. In the game, you essentially, if you remember, as the a part of the Camarvan events, when you go over, or when Tommy goes over with Wilbur to get Tubbo's brewing stands, there's a sort of chase scene where they grab the stands and they kind of just like go, because Sapnap and Tubbo are kind of after them because they're kind of sus of them, and so what I have decided, like when they're running, they're gonna go through a sort of like dungeon maze to kind of like make this an actual like RPG sort of game, where they'll like fight monsters, solve puzzles, and like go through this like kind of forest area. So it's a forest dungeon. So we're going to be working on one of these sort of rooms. I've already sort of put it together. Let me show you. So that's that. Let's see. Oops. Dream SMP. I want drawings. No, I want backgrounds. Here we go. Forest dungeon. So which one is the this one? So this is, oh, there's no flowers on here. Oh yeah, because the flowers are part of the animation. So this is basically the room that we're working with. There's gonna be a villager right there blocking the path, and I'll show you guys what's gonna happen with that. Let's see. And there's gonna be flowers over here that are gonna be animated. So I already uploaded everything on there. That's what I was working on last night. I was making sure that everything got updated and like everything was like upgraded and working well. it sticks to, this room also sticks to the sort of like basic like room area, I guess you could say, the room size. So let's start off by we're gonna be, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take this, I want green, so I'm just gonna drag that all around. So I want a base that I can work with. What music do I have on? I just have like my Spotify stream playlist that I am listening to right now. It's I Just Felt by Albie. If you go down far enough, we get to the the entire Pebble Brain thing. I absolutely love the fall, you guys. I'm so excited for the fall to come around because I'm just gonna be like, yes, my child, it's so good. So beautiful. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna map out sort of the boundaries. Because we're not gonna, let's see, how am I gonna get this? Because we can't see, all of the sort of like specific, boundaries, because we can't see the boundaries, or the actual picture until the game's running. We have to go through beforehand and like map out like, okay, this is where this is like estimating this is where it's about gonna be for everything. So I have to make the borders myself. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna put on the grid system. Oh, the grid system, no. The grid is way too small. RPG Maker MZs. Grid settings are 48 by 48, 48 pixels by 48. So this correlates directly like with the tile system over here. Let's actually, okay, perfect. Actually, can I go over here and, oops, no. Okay, I can just like inch it up over here so that way it can kind of line up. Okay, close enough. So we can look over here and be like, okay, so this this block right here correlates to this one right here. Let's see. Two trucks, I see this. Midori, help me. There's a cartoon character named Spanky Ham, and that's kind of says my dude. Ew, don't tell me this stuff. Okay, so I have like a little system for how things work. So this sand is kind of like the playable areas you can walk in. This cracked dirt is where you can find things, or just like it's interactable objects, I guess. And this stone right here, you can actually walk on this stone. I've switched it up in the database. You can, where do I find it? Database. If you go over here, you go to the tile sets. You can press like X or like O. And it'll be like X means you can't walk on it, O means that you can. And so I set it as X, that way you can't walk on it. So that just serves as sort of like a border without having to make a whole bunch of events to like keep you from going. Let's see. Or events that, yeah, keep you from walking off of the screen. So yeah, so we're gonna go through here. I think first we're gonna add the let's add the borders first of all. Okay, so we're up 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, so it's up 4. So starting, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how much are we gonna go over to the side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I have this one cut off? Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Tommy's gonna look like he's standing on top of the bushes that way. Okay, so over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down all the way, and then all the way down here, and then all the way up here. Okay, so how far does this go up? We'll start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's down 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm gonna go over an extra one so we can see where that is. Okay, so then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, actually, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a space because that's where you'll be able to go through, but the villager will be blocking that. And then you just cut all that off. And so now we have like our borders all set up. Okay, so do you think you're gonna add a fighting thing for different wars thingies? Sorry if I'm asking a ton of questions. No worries. I'm sorry if I'm not seeing it. Your accounting is confusing me. Don't worry. It's I don't think it was ever meant to be really like understandable, because it's just like me rambling. I was just trying to count out the grid, the little grid count things that I needed to know. Oh, that reminds me, up here, I also need to make sure that I block off this area, so that way when you can eventually go up this path, you can't like wander off the path. Okay, so that's all there. Let's see. Do I want more? I'm being a nitpicky artist. Okay, I can deal with that texture. You can go on that texture. It's fine. Okay, so we need the cracked ground right here. That's the flower bed that we're showing right here. This will be where all the interactable sort of bits are, because you'll see. Let's see. Oh, I never answered it. Non-binary simp. I'm sorry. Is a fighting thing different for war thingies? I think like as I like if I continue with the games, I feel like I'm going to add something like new, like kind of what she calls them. If what was I gonna say? If I end up continuing with it, I'm gonna try to add like more and more stuff just to make it more unique every time. Think like Deltarune, how like Toby kind of adds like a new sort of little fighting mechanic each time, just because it keeps it fresh, it keeps it kind of new. So that way you're not doing the same thing over and over and over again. Also, flying clouds, or not flying clouds, math 0. It's 0. What she calls them? No, 3 plus 3 times 0. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Times that by 0 is. Oh wait, no. I haven't been in math class for so long, but I guess like multiply does like take like. Yeah, multiply does take sort of precedence over the pluses, so it would be. Fuck math. Fuck math. I'm cursing this time. Fuck math. This is what happens when you graduate from high school. You're like, forget that math. I guess math is useful to me now. Like now I'm doing game development, but like it wasn't when I was doing art. Okay, so we've basically mapped out all that we need. So what we're gonna move on to do, actually, we're gonna work on some. Oh, you know what? No, I'm not gonna do the thing that I was gonna do. We are going to work on the event editor. So when you interact with this, we're gonna add when you press on, is the flower bed lined up properly? Yes, it is. It's a little bit bigger than it shows on the other screen. Oops. Okay, I shouldn't have messed with it. I'm sorry. I've learned from my mistakes, but it's a little bit smaller than it is on the on RPG Maker than it is on the other screen or other part. That it doesn't look like it's showing up like all the way, but or it doesn't look like it's aligned properly. But you know what? You're right. Fuck. There's 3. There's 3. You know what? MVP of the year. I forgot there's 3. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 4? What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh. Okay. I think I want the. Okay. So I think what I want is the main interaction to be dealt with these two. Whoever pointed that out, thank you. See, this is why I'd have messed up, and then I'd have to be like, oh, I gotta go fix this now, because you can step on these edges. That'll be fine. Oh, but will it? But will it be fine? Oh, I'm trying to think of the flowers. Yeah, you're gonna step on the flowers. Okay, so you're not gonna be able to step on these. Oops. You're not gonna be able to step on these either, but you can step around them. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I want this one. This one. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like this little area. So 4. Is that 4 by 4? 4 by 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 by 4. Okay, cool. We got this. I have a D in maths. Please, what? 3 plus 3 would be 0. Be 3 due to the rule of PEMDAS. Oh, PEMDAS! I haven't heard of PEMDAS in so long! Oh, you smart beans. When it comes out, where will you be able to download it? Itch.io. Let's see. Oh yeah, more of the, let's see, more of the, FAQ stuff. The one I think of, like, immediately, this is gonna sound bitchy. Whenever people, also, by the way, I'm putting priority same as characters just because that makes it so that way it registers as another character, this event, so you can't, like, run into it, which is a problem that, happens if, you put it below. You can just, like, walk over it and walk into whatever you're trying to block. What Corey was gonna say. What was Corey gonna say? Corey was gonna say, oh, yes, something that, I mean this in the kindest way. If, I do not want any suggestions for the games. If your comment ever starts with, I think you should, or like, maybe you could do this. No, please stop. Because I'm just gonna look away. Partially just because a lot of things, people sort of, a lot of the things people, suggest, it's, not really possible. It's like, it's very, it's very, like, not entirely possible to do all the time. But I do really appreciate it. I do appreciate that you guys are invested in it. Also, like, I like, it's annoying to have, like, a whole bunch of people being like, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this, and I'm just like, don't worry, I'm gonna do my best to make the best game that I can. But it's just something that I've noticed sometimes, like, on, YouTube, or, like, YouTube comments, or a lot of TikTok comments. I think TikTok is the biggest sort of perpetrator of this, but I just, yeah, just trust me. I do know what I'm doing, hopefully. No, confidence. I do know what I'm doing, and I will bring the best game that I can. Also, I don't need any help right now. If I do, I will make a public announcement and be like, hey, if I actually need, like, help outside of, like, my friend group or something. Okay. So, what we're gonna do, be doing just a simple text event. So, show text, and it's gonna say, I never planned for this one. Honestly, I never planned for it. I don't know what I was gonna be doing. What did she call those ones? Let's see. It could be, the flowers, the tulips are swaying in the wind. Just really, like, of course they are. Like, yes, I can see. I have eyes. Are swaying in the wind. I'll probably change this later, but we're just gonna do something basic. Window. Okay, cool. We don't actually have to change anything anymore, which is really nice. So show text. It looks like someone's been taking good, wait, no, I can go farther. Taking good care of them. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's all good. So that's good. We're gonna copy, and we're gonna paste this all around here, just to block off any access to it. Oh, no, I don't need to make all these. What, I was being extra. We're gonna do that. Why are you guys fighting about the mobs? They're all really good mobs. Ellie's gonna be good. It's gonna be fine. I totally believe that we're gonna get, the mobs later. I hope, like, we get the mushroom at some point. I've just learned about its existence today, and, like, I know people love that with, like, a dying passion. Let's see. Okay. So we've got that. And then we're going. Actually, what we should do. We're gonna actually expand this now. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so what we actually need to do, we need to add the, let's see. First of all, set starting position of player. So what we need just a base event that activates. So parallel. You do a parallel trigger. That means as long as you're in the room, it's going. So we are going to go to show picture, and we got to go through our images. In my picture images, so you have like the different animations. So like the water animation, that one actually doesn't exist anymore. That was a dumb room that I made, and I just didn't really like it. Here you go, tulips. It's an animation. As you can see, there are different frames with like just slight movements. Movements? Did I say movements? Okay, so you've got that. Okay, so show picture, and then what we need to do, we need to plug in commands, and we basically need to find our plugin, our good old plugin. What is the plugin? Was it Gal? Character animation? No, it was a picture. Oh, it's a Viz MD. MZ. Okay. Vizu MZ. Wait frames. I think it needs to be a little bit slower than it's gonna appear, so I'm gonna put 12. Maybe we can do 10. We can see. We'll adjust it. Okay. So that runs parallel, so I think it should be good. Okay, let's see. Let's run the thing. I wanted moon blooms. Oh, Legend calls them. They look cute. Let's see. I was just like, what if we just did a Hunger Games and like added them all? I was gonna say, but okay, you guys, I love the glow squids though. I love the glowy thing. Okay, see. Oh, I forgot to actually plug in the actual thing, but here, you can see the, I forgot to plug in the actual, background. Okay, but you can't, let's just test this out. The tulips are swaying in the wind. It looks like someone's been taking good care of them. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. That looks good, but I forgot to plug in the actual background. Okay, so let's unplug in the actual background here. Oh, forest dungeon, I forgot to put the, this room is gonna the name's gonna have to be changed. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to go over into our resources. We're gonna look in the layers. So we're gonna look in the layers folder. That's a specific folder that's made for the parallax mapping plugin. So what we're gonna need to use, which one is it? It's gonna be forest path. Oh, it's room 08. Okay, room 08 preview. Okay, so it's gonna be just room 08. Good to know. Okay, so close. So what we're gonna go over here, let's edit, oops. You can edit any of them, but let's just go over to the one before that. This right here is the line of text that activates the plugin for the parallax mapping. So we paste it here. I couldn't tell you for the life of me what any of this means, but what we do right here is that we put in connecting path. Instead of that connecting path, that we don't need that. That is where we put the file name. So we just do is it room? I can't remember. Room 08. Okay, actually, I should have it. In these right over here. Okay, that is the right one. So room 08. Okay, so if we go back in here, we added that. It should go through the files and pull out that specific sort of that specific graphic or image. And so we go in here, and suddenly, okay, we have the actual background. Let's see. Okay. So here, I'm testing out the WAS sort of function as well. Okay, cool. Beautiful. Okay, so then we can go over here. You like the tulips are swaying in the wind. It looks like someone's been taking good care of them. And yeah, it's all like cute like that. It's just all like, oh yeah, I'm vibing. Just like little tulips like swaying in the wind. They look so pretty, right? It'd be a shame if something happened to them, which is what's gonna happen in this next event. This next event that we're gonna be making. It's called Villager. Wow. Okay, I don't know why I press enter, but okay. So what we're gonna do? I have a little villager. Villager. Where's the villager? Oh yeah, here are all the sprite sheets, by the way. Here's Rambu. Here's a sign. Here's a punk. Here's a cow. The cow that I use to block every like every passageway that I don't want you going through. There's Wilbur. There's Tubbo. I need to make Tubbo's sprite taller. Like a lot of them I increased like the size of Tommy's, so I need to like increase everybody's sizes, but I haven't gotten to that yet. Phantoms are really annoying. Oh god, Phantoms were a mistake. Yeah, I've heard like one good argument for Phantoms, but like after that, I'm just like besides that, because I will give Puppet a good sort of a good thing, a yes, you're right on that sort of area for what they kind of put. It's just my brain. ADHD, please don't do this to me. Anyways, villager. So we have a little villager sprite, and we need to actually let's make sure. Okay, the same as characters. Good. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna test to make sure what it looks like when it's in the game. I just need to make sure that it's standing how I want it to. So I was debating about making it a picture. Oh yeah, perfect. I made the villager fucking ginormous. I just thought, wouldn't it be funny if like villagers are actually just really fucking tall? This is one of the liberties I took with this game. I was just like, let's make the villagers just like fucking ginormous. just like really tall boys. So you have the villager blocking the way now. Now, the moment you interact with this villager is going to be leading to one of like the funniest things I think can happen in this game or this part of the game in the forest dungeon. So it's a big villager. They could step on us in the scary what? That's a straight up Titan. What if they were just really tall? I may go and fix that, but I just thought it was really funny. I just thought it would be really funny to do. Okay, so what we're actually gonna do, now we're gonna do some fun little coding for this event, which I need to pull that up on the other screen. I forgot to do that. That's like one thing I forgot to do. Let's see. We're gonna go to my Google Drive. I'm not pulling up my Google Drive in here. I'm sorry. I edited the script last night. So there's a full-on script because I was not gonna ad-lib all of this on stream. Also has instructions about what things I need to program in. So this is actually gonna be really, really fun. My concept for the villager. I've been having a lot of fun with my concept for the villager. I'm not gonna lie. So, let's see. Ew, shame on the bot. Shame on the bot. Shame on the bot. I don't know how to get rid of it. Ignore the bot. We don't like the bot. I guess I could try to get rid of the bot. Bot? Fuck you, bot. Let's see. Anyways. So this villager is basically blocking the path, and, Tommy and, Wilbur, at this point. Do I need to add Wilbur? You know what? Hell yeah, let's add a character. Let's see, I haven't done this before. So change maximum. We're gonna have, okay, maximum 2. So we'll have Wilbur. Okay, so we'll just have the character. We'll just do like really basic stuff. Because Wilbur's not going to be fighting. Wilbur has his words. That's big Wilbur. Little Wilbur. Okay. Let's test this out. Because I do need to make sure that that kind of works. Let's see. Shame on the bot. Yeah, shame on the bots. We shame bots, homophobes, racists, anybody. We just point and we go shame. Okay. I think I do need to. Let's go to here. Let's add a new one. New change tile set. Let's see. Change map. I may actually do a separate event from this. Let's see. New. I've seen this very briefly. Change tile set. Change parallax. Change parallax. What does that mean? Has there been a parallax map? What? Okay, never mind. I was about to be like, what the fuck? Did I not need a plugin for that? I don't know. Enemy appear? No. System settings, scene controls. Actually, is there party? Change party member. Actor. So we're gonna add Wilbur. Okay. And then new. And we're going to what is it called? What is it called? Ah! We're going to show picture, move picture. No, we're going to erase event. Let's see. Let's see. How do I want this to run? This will run parallel. Okay, let's test this out. See if this works. And if we do this right, we should have botphobic. Botophobic. I'm sorry for being botophobic. How dare I? How does one do this? Oh, wait a second. Systems. Ah, starting party. Here we go. I'll learn how to adjust it later. But, okay. We'll just have that. So, I'll figure out the details of it later. That's something I'm just gonna have to watch tutorials on. Of how to, like, adjust, like, what party members are with you. But, so basically it'd work out like this. He still isn't here! Oh god, wait. Wait, I may be an idiot. Wait a second. I'm gonna get rid of that because I don't want that with it all the time. I just may be an idiot. No, let's go to actors. No, I did it right. Wilbur, why are you being difficult? Bruh. Okay, let's just add faces. Maybe it's just like, oh, I wish you would actually just battler. You can be this guy. No, there's no battler. He's not a part of the team battling. Okay, let's see. What if I just like delete that? Okay. Change. Let's see if this will work. If this will work, we'll just have to like, it'll be fine. We'll make it work. I'll just figure it out later. Ah, why is it not working? Does Wilbur not just want to be a part of our team? We have a really cool team. Edit. Initialize? Okay. I don't know what initialize means. If it sounds something fancy. Wilbur just went, no thanks. Oh, I never clicked apply. We'll try that next. If it doesn't work. Wilbur's just like, I wanted no part in your video game, thanks. And I'm just like, fuck. I mean, everything did save. Usually if you press OK, it'll be good. Oh, this is the database. I need over here. Initialize. Yeah, if you press OK, it'll, let's see. Change party member. Edit. Well, Wilbur, why are you just being a fucking bitch? I mean, I love you. I love you, but like, fucking hell. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I'm missing something like just really, really obvious. Wilbur, please, I'm begging you. Wilbur said, please. Wilbur, please, just show up in my game. Do I need to, a starting party shouldn't matter. What I want to do, I want to add a party member. Let's see, parallel, is that auto run? Is that what it is? Okay, I still think I need to have, if I auto run it, it's gonna keep on going and going and going. So what I do need to have a race event. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe it's auto run. Maybe auto run. Press apply. I will never press apply. Let's see. Wilbur, no! Wilbur! Okay. You want me to, I will go and I will just, let's see. What if okay, I'm just gonna get rid of initialize. Oh god, I was gonna press apply. I was going to, I promise, when I edited that. Literally, okay, let me tell you, the apply just works when the apply isn't important. You guys, the apply isn't important. It's never been important before. Why would you do this? Okay, but like, okay, so what if I just like delete this? And I go over here and I'm just like, please, senpai, you're already working. Maybe you'll work. Does Wilbur have walking sprites? He does. Even if he didn't, the base sprite would show up and he just like move like really funnily. Like I can only think of him as Sneak! Lancer from Deltarune. He basically like move like that. Let's see, change party members. Okay, we're gonna try again. Change party members. We're gonna add Wilbur. Change party members, add Wilbur. There we go. Initialize. Okay. Let's try this. T-pose. Wilbur has Heelys. I'm excited for this game. Hell yeah. This is what happens when I don't test stuff out beforehand, you guys, by the way. Yeah, okay. So that's just something I'm gonna have to figure out on my own time. That's okay, though. We can still add, like, he didn't really have, like, a big part in this. We'll still have, like, his lines and everything in. So we're just gonna delete that. That's something I'll figure out on my own time, so don't worry about that. Let's see. Oh, wait, what's the key looking mob? I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up an event that happens when you talk to this villager. He's in the way. What am I... There's a Danny Gonzalez song that just came up. Sorry, I got like so distracted. I'm like, what am I listening to? Let's see. I have like 5 frappuccinos in the fridge. I'm trying to save for school so I can get past the week. Oh my god, I want some frappuccinos. I just have a Coca-Cola that I'm drinking. Does Tobo show up at all? Yeah. This is the funnily enough, as I was going through and like writing down what's gonna be happening. Yes, I am gonna make him say I have a little funny thing for that. Tubbo is one of, like, I guess kind of like the enemies, sort of. Like, he's just like, you know how he like goes along and he's kind of like, he's working against Tommy and Wilbur for like most of the VOD, I guess, or the stream. Against their like little drug business. Like, Tubbo is legitimately like an enemy you have to fight at one point. I don't know how many times, but it's what she calls him. It's I'm just thinking about it, just listening to the song. It's a funny song. I think it's only one time that you fight him. But Wilbur just rolls up to the Revolution wearing Heelys under his uniform. You know what? My brother and sister got Heelys when they were, like, kids. And I didn't. I was the only one in my family who wasn't allowed to get Heelys, and they bought them for them at the same time. And they bought me different shoes. They would not let, my family would not let me get Heelys because I am the most klutziest person who cannot balance on my 2 feet normally. So they were just like hell, we're giving you Heelys for you to break your neck on. So what you calls them. So I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I never have any Heely memories. Because my brother and sister had them and they were cool and they got to go like use their Heelys and I was like tripping over the floor in my Converse. It was so sad. I did love my Converse. And I suppose you can say that I did end up with fewer injuries than I would have if I did own them. What are your plans for the green Teletubby man design? I'm gonna go with just the usual design that I use for him when I'm drawing. So it's gonna be the hoodie stuff. As much as I want to make the green Teletubby, that I think what she calls him is gonna be really quite Tubbo secret boss moment. It's spam to Neo all over. Oh my gosh. No, we actually do have a secret boss. Can I say Rambu? He's gonna be our little secret boss, which is gonna be fun. But what was I gonna say? What was I thinking? Yeah, so for Dream, funnily enough, I don't think Dream actually has a part in this. Sapnap's the main villain in this entire game. Dream won't really be showing up until next time, but I'm putting like little Easter eggs around. We have like a little dream sequence that kind of pops up every time you save, which is using basically you sleep using the bed, kind of like Minecraft, like how you rest and put your save point or spawn point. The beds are the save points for this game. Let's see, but yeah, so there's little because I am skipping over the Disc Wars, kind of like the main, the beginning of like the feud between Dream and Tommy. I have like little like cutscenes or whatever, kind of just establishing that connection that they already have, that they're just kind of like enemies. It's really fun. I can show you guys the little cutscene that I have later, but I can show you now actually if you guys want. Let's see. Let's see. Where is it? It's the camera van side. Camera van side. Let's just go in here. Cancel. No, I want to set starting position of the player right there. So let's go. Let's see. I'm gonna need to put this up. I need to pause that music for a second. Okay. So cool. We've got this new game. Let me full screen this for you guys. Let's see. So if you go over here and you interact with the bed, it's like stop to rest. Sometimes there'll be like other text to go along with it. So yes, I guess I can rest a bit. Would you like to save your game? Yes. And sometimes. What? Wait, what? Oh. Okay, let me look at this. Let me look at this. What the fuck is happening here? I'm missing something, and I don't exactly know. Okay, so guess I can rest a bit. Would you like to save your game? Yes. Open save screen. Yes. No. Okay. Wait, play movies. That's really weird. Okay, I guess I can't really show you guys. Wait a second. I want to see what I was missing there. Let's see. Did you draw everything? If so, I really love your art style. Yeah, I drew everything myself. F. Thank you for the F. God. Let's see. Is this an actual game? Yeah. It's a game that I'm working on right now. Hey Corey, have you seen the mob vote? Yeah, I voted for Ali. Yes, I can rest a bit. Okay, show me what's wrong. Yes, okay, I can save my game. Failed to load. Oh, the image character. Okay, I think I know what it is. Okay, hold on. It's something that I haven't changed yet. Okay, so we're gonna go to here. Going to go to actors. We need to go to Tommy. So characters, just make sure that I have that. Okay. Face. Should be that. Okay. Okay. I don't know entirely why it's... I can bring in whatever page like thing it's missing, so I think I'll do that next. Let's see. Did you know that Allie won the... Yeah, I did. I was watching the entire Minecraft live. It was very, very cool. I'm very excited for the new kind of like swamp updates. Yes, let's save the game. Characters. Okay, so I'll just have to go to find that image. Character Tom Big Sheet. Okay. So let's go. Characters. I went through and cleaned up some stuff, and like obviously like character Tom Big Sheet. Okay, import. Let's import. Let's see. Do I have it? Yeah, Tommy. Character Tom Big Sheet. What the fuck am I missing? Okay, that's something I'm gonna have to look up. Sorry, guys. That's disappointing. Anyways, back to here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with a, let's see, poor Glare didn't even have a chance. I know, poor Glare. It tried so hard. Ally actually very useful, like for, sorting out items. Yeah, that's what I've heard. I'm excited to, like, look for it. Look at, like, what it's gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a Tommy text. So we're gonna show text, and it's gonna be Tommy saying, and then we're gonna do the little backslash dot. That is a pause. That's like a short little pause in the text. Can you move? And then we're gonna add a Tommy sheet, and we're just gonna be like, hey, can you move? It's gonna be windowed. We don't have to change any of that anymore, which is so nice. Then we're gonna show, oh, and so for the villager, we're just gonna play a little sound effect because your girl has gotten something. Oh, I forgot to get something else. Shit. I'll have to do that later. Play sound effect. Did I forget to add sound effects? Yes, I did. Okay, let's, no, okay. We'll apply. See, I hit apply this time. Okay, so we're going to go, I need to grab some resources. Sound effects. Your girl got some more sound effects that she worked really hard to do, but she forgot to import them all because she was working till like 12 a.m. last night. And it's never good when you're working that late because you've always forget to do stuff. What if I just, let's see, looking for OGG, no. Minecraft Villager sound effect. That's an MP3. I need a sound effect. Okay. Central. I should also upload that one because I need that as well. Okay. Minecraft Villager sound effect. Perfect. I got the sound effect. So every time you end, or every time, oh, how did I do that? Thank you for letting me know. How did I do that? What on earth happened? I guess I pressed shift while doing that. Oh, because I hit the wrong button. That's why. Okay. Can you move? We're going to, what we're then going to do, oh, I can play music again. Wait, this can happen. Let me play music. Okay. Now back over here. Show text. No, I'm going to, which one is it? Audio. Play sound effect. Villager sound effect. I want it as loud as it can. I want you to hear, can you even hear it? Let's see. Will this game be released on only PC? Only PC. Let's see. I'm not doing any other system. Okay. So I can hear that. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but I hope you can. Also, well, it's okay if you're late. It's always good to have you, regardless. Okay. So we've got a play Minecraft Villager sound effect. So then we do show text. And then we're just going to go, we're gonna have, this is a whole ass conversation that they're gonna have. But I want, like, every time there to just be, like, a simple, huh, and then, like, a little, like, a translated, like, translation. Like, so it would be, like, no. Let's see. Okay. You guys are gonna be excited when you heard the revive. When I heard it, like, I was like, oh, chat's about to go crazy. Okay, so then, oh, I need to actually, okay, so, and then we need to wait. You do, like, a 30-second frame, or 30 frame wait, and then we, need to stop the sound effect. This has to happen every time the villager talks, because it plays the villager sound effect. It will loop if I do not wait those 30 frames and then stop it. It'll just keep on looping, so it'll go, ha, 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 ha. And, like, nobody wants to hear that. Nobody needs that. Unless you are absolutely insane. Let's see. Okay, so, then we have, Tommy. We have Tommy coming back with another text. And so he goes, excuse me? Excuse me, I will not try to imitate his voice. I do terrible British accents. Let's see, it's just kind of like, what? Let's see. Okay, so it's just Tommy. Okay, saying excuse me. And then, okay, so we're just gonna start copying and pasting this. Paste. Wait, no, paste. Like, copy. We're gonna paste. And then, let's see. So then we're gonna set the, why am I, brain. No, don't do this to me, brain. So we're gonna, so then Tommy, or no, then the villager is going to, reply with no entry. But with that same huh. No matter what the villager says, even if it's a long paragraph, I just want a single huh. Let's see. No entry. Okay. Let's see. Then we need to copy these. Let's do this. Copy, paste. Okay. And then we're gonna have a Tommy going back at the villager by saying, listen. And we're gonna do another pause here. We've got 2 idiots chasing us through these. That's probably gonna be too big. These fucking woods. So if you, oh wait, no, I need to do the pause here. Let's see. Yeah, I love Hello World. Hello World makes me happy. I heard it back on like Tumblr when it first came out. So if you don't let us pass. Okay. I actually would like to, let's test it out so far. See how it works. Okay, so over here. So we're just gonna, let's see, player. Oh, that last one, I don't think I, actually, oops. Edit. Yeah, I love Joy! Hell yeah! Let's see, why is the volume so low? Oh, because, I was worried about it being too loud. Let's see. We also increased the saturation of the game. I really like colorful game. I like it as it is now. No offense. But, what you call some? I need to figure out how to, like, mod this. I am sorry about the bots. Just, like, going crazy. We are botophobic against the bots. Fuck you, bots! Don't ever press on the bot stuff. Don't ever press on the bot stuff, please. Just keep yourself safe. Okay, so we need a portrait for Tommy. Let's see. I guess I need to add more portraits for Tommy. So we'll go with that. Okay. So let's go over here. I'm gonna test that real quick. Let's see. Maybe get some proper mods. Yeah, this is the first time I've been streaming on YouTube, so like I never have had mods. I've never had like the need for mods. I have mods on Twitch, but yeah. Can you turn up the volume a little bit? Yeah, I can. But I'm worried that you're not gonna be able to hear me. And no offense, but the point of the stream is to hear me. Let's see. Language! Why the language? Okay, so new game. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's say, can you move? Huh. Okay, I did hear the huh. Excuse me? No entry. Listen. We've got, wait. Okay, we need to pause the music. I need to actually hear what, let's see. Shut up, Wilbur, for 5 seconds. I'm sorry. Let's see. Can you move? Huh, I did hear the huh. Excuse me? No entry. Okay. Listen, we've got 2 idiots chasing us through these fucking woods. Okay, so the through, got cut off. That's what I was worried about. So if you let us pass, and then, okay, so then we'll move on to there. Okay, cool. Okay, Wilbur, you can come back. I'm sorry, Wilbur. Come back. Let's see. This reminds me of Legend of Zelda, Link's Awakening. Yeah, a lot of, like, the early, like, Pokemon games, Legend of Zelda games, that I used to play, like, kind of, like, inspired a lot of this, as well as, I want to say, as well as, like, Undertale, definitely. Okay, Wilbur is allowed to come back now. Okay. So, let's go here. So we do need to edit this. So oh, it told us as well that it was gonna, like, just die. Okay, so we'll just go over here. So if you don't let us pass, and then we'll just, bring that over there. Okay, so that should be good. We'll test it out later. Okay, what's the next part of the script? It actually fell down. Let's see. Okay, so after that, okay, so basically what happens then, Wilbur steps out, from behind Tommy and kind of goes to his side and being like, because Tommy's about, like, ready to, like, throttle this guy. Actually, yeah, he's getting angry, so, I actually need to, switch it to that face. So then we have, Wilbur stepping out, to the side, and that's some work that I'm gonna have to do when, I finally figure out how to get his, sprite to be there. Little fox boy here, little Fundy. I'm really excited for, the part of the game where, I have a special part of the game for Fundy, and it's gonna be very fun to put together. That's not gonna be in the demo though, so sad, but it's gonna be really cool. I'm not gonna spoil it right now though, not until I figure out what I want, specifically. Okay, so let's see. We'll just have him be like, Tommy. Okay, so he goes, Tommy, because Tommy's starting to get aggressive. Okay. Let's see. So we've got that text, and then Tommy's gonna go back, and say, what? Backslash, just a little pause, I guess I don't really know, like, what the gender is of, like, the villager, so we can go with there. Give us some, like, the villager non-binary representation. They're being, difficult. They're being difficult. No! Not the little squiggly line. Let's see. Are you gonna finish and publish this game? That's the plan. Will this game be able to be played on mobile? No, sorry, it's only going to be on PC. Possibly Mac. Mainly Windows. I'm trying to see if I can get this to go for Mac as well. Are you gonna finish? Yes. I love your Romper design. He looks like a friend. Aw, thank you so much. Let's see. Okay, so we've got the what? They're being difficult. And so Tommy, we're gonna, oh, that's the Tommy one. Okay. Let's see. So we're still gonna have him being a frowny boy. So he's just gonna be like, he's still upset. He's upset. He's like, what? They're being difficult. Okay, so then what's gonna happen? We're gonna have another little villager moment. We're gonna do that. Also villagers are non-binaries. Cool. Non-binary villager supremacy, hell yeah. So like, I didn't think about it until just now, because I was like, I don't fucking know, like, a gender. Like, there is no gender. There's only villager. So then we're gonna play another villager sound effect. This is where I'm like really getting my chuckles from. Because then you get this long-ass dialogue from the villager that says, this is just me being a dork. For centuries... Welcome to Corey Tries to Spell. No, yes, that's how I spell it? Yes, okay. So for centuries, my ancestors have guarded... Let's see, while I watch your stream, I'm building a huge Minecraft maze for one of my maps that is a garden map. Hell yeah, that's so cool! It would be cool to see Tommy play this. Hell yeah, if any of like the if anybody wants to play it on streams, whether or not it's the Dream SMP gang or just like anybody at all, if y'all want to play it on stream, like that's totally cool. Like, go for it. Also, do not it's okay to like be like, hey, insert creator here, play this game, but don't like spam them 24/7 and like try to bully them into it, please. Let's see. No, I'm so late. I was on Twitch seeing if you're gonna go live. Oh, Kaiski, I'm so sorry. Let's see. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path. Okay. Backslash pause. This is just me being a dork. And if you think for a moment that I'll let someone as insignificant... This is just like, how can I get Tommy angry? Insignificant as you pass. I'm gonna add another pause. You're sorely mistaken. It's only gonna, and keep in mind, it's only gonna have that single, like, huh, for this. Let's see, maybe I should just bring over the and just in case. I want to be safe with this. You're sorely, okay, for centuries my ancestors have guarded this path, and if you think for a moment that I'll let someone as insignificant as you pass, you're sorely mistaken. So then we do that, and so then we need to add this. We need to wait the 50 frames and then stop the sound effect. Yes, long words. I just like, I wanted to have like the huh for like the like really like short sentences, and then the same huh for like the what you call it, the long ass speech you get. And so when you do that, what happens next? Obviously Tommy's not gonna take this. So like, let's see, I gotta scroll down on my Google Doc. Okay. So then show text, and that's it. Exclamation point. I'm gonna do a little pause. Oops. I'm gonna start stabbing shit. That's it. I'm gonna start stabbing shit. So we got Tommy. Let's see. The long speech you get from the villager. Angry triggered for the villager. Let's see. Wait. Oh, I forgot. I forgot something. Okay, so we go. Where's the So I'll do this. Said I'm gonna start stabbing shit. Okay, I forgot something. Let's see. Okay, so right here, we actually, I forgot that I was gonna make this even more dramatic. So we're gonna wait a whole 30 frames maybe? Or maybe too much. What if we change that to 25? 25 frames. Okay, then what we're gonna do, we are going, oops. I forgot that, then we are going to, play background music. We have a very specific, which one was it? Let's see, I have it written down. Do I have it written down? Yes, penultimate. Okay, where is penultimate? Did I upload this? I am going, did I? Let's see. Did I put this as a sound effect? Because I'm going to be sad. No, I didn't. Play background sound. Oh, background music? Is that what I did? Goop shoe. Cancel. Did I put it as black background sound? Yes, I did. Maybe. Wrong boost sad. Fuck, where did I put it? Did I? Oh, I probably just didn't upload it. Okay. Okay, that's just okay. Let's go through. We gotta upload a new resource. Let's see. What she calls them? Hi, what I miss? A little bit. We were putting together this this room. So actually, nope. Where am I at? I need tile sets. What is it? Background music. Should be background sound though. I don't know. It could be either. We'll just do we'll do background sound. We'd have to fade out whatever background music we had before. But let's import. Let's see. I did this last night. I believe I did. Did I? I may have forgotten. Oh fuck. Okay. So basically what I need to do now, we get to go through, let's go on an adventure. We get to go on an adventure, you guys. Let's see, let's go into my files, the Dream SMP. I need to go to music. Let's see, is it battle for mob? I need penultimate. Here we go. We're gonna copy. We're gonna go to downloads. We're gonna paste that here. So that's abstraction. Did I really like not do that? I thought I did that yesterday. That's okay. I have to go over on the other screen and just convert that because it needs to be an OGG file. So web to OGG converter. Let's just do this one. Let's see. Choose files. Okay, let's go to download. Please convert this real quick. Cancel. What is this? Choose files to convert. Go to downloads, please. It's not showing up. I will bite ankles. Where did it go? Where did I come from? Where did I go? Let's see. Downloads. Paste. Stick Oh, it's already... Okay, it's already downloaded somewhere. I just have to go look for it. Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Why would you do that to me? Downloads? Let's see. Penultimate. Where's penultimate? Why would you do this to me? Search downloads. Let's see. Abstraction. Penultimate. There we go. Open. Okay. I've got this. I finally got this. Okay, so it's gonna take 20 years to finish. Okay. So, actually, let me, so while I'm here, let me answer more, like, frequently asked questions. Let's see. There is... What are questions that people most ask? It's usually, like, what platform is it gonna be on? Is it gonna be for free? Where can I get it? It's not done yet, but it will be on, itch.io when it's finished. Oh, I almost burped. Oh, I did kind of burp. What else is there? God, I'm, like, usually better at this. I don't know. But, let's see. Okay, you guys are still talking about... Let's talk about the, Minecraft Live. You know, I want to talk about that again while we can. Oh my god, the underground cities, I am so hyped about it. I just got really excited for the treasures. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, show me what's in the thing! I was like, show me what's in the treasure chest! I want to know what I'm gonna be getting. But I have to, like, go. How long will the game be? I'm not entirely sure. It's gonna be a couple of hours long, definitely. I believe there's going to be 2 dungeons that you have to go through. You'll have about, I want to consider, like, let's see, you have, like, 1 boss fight and, like, a handful of mini boss fights. Let's see, you'll have a secret boss fight that you can do. You'll have 1, as far as I'm aware right now, maybe, like, I'm pretty sure, like, 2 kind of, like, special event little game thingies that you have to do. It's gonna be so much. I did not need to go this hard for a fan game. I'm making a full-on fucking game, you guys. I did not need to go this hard, but it's so fun. It's so fun. I'm, like, the longer I play, like, on this, I'm just like, the more I'm just like, I should be, like, charging fucking money for this, but it, like, honestly, doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. The money is gonna, like, it doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter. I am putting, like, so much time, but at the same time, I still, like, I would feel icky about it. Let's see, conversion completed. Okay, we can download it. It's been downloaded. Okay, cool. Okay. So I can go back to the thing. So let's, okay, so we can go back over here. Let's import abstraction. Penultimate. Okay. Hell yeah! Pebble Brain! Let's see. You just ruined the secret? What secret? Let's see. Okay, so we've got the background music. Okay, we can close that. Let's go back here. Let's see. So right before here, so we're gonna wait 25 seconds, and then we're gonna play background music. Let's see. Going to do where's penultimate? Penultimate, my baby. Penultimate. Where are you? I will start. Oh, there it is. Abstraction. Be like, I will bite ankles. I will start biting ankles. If I could, I would donate some money. It's okay. What you call them. Also, if you guys do want to support and be like, throw some money like my way, you can always well, you can sub on Twitch, or I do have a Patreon, which is patreon.com/KarinaMarie. If you do want to throw money my way, that is a thing you can do. But don't ever feel pressured. I understand, like, not everybody is able to, so, like, I don't want you to, what she calls them. I don't want y'all to feel like that you have to, and that you're like, I will, like, I will randomly appear in your, like, house and T-posing and being like, where's my money, bitch? Give the artist all your months. Yeah, I do like getting the months because I do like paying rent. It is very fun. My landlord likes it when I pay rent too. Okay, so we do have that. Let's see. Let's test this out. I'm so sorry for having to pause Pebble Brain of all things, but we do need to test this out. Okay. Let's see, because now we're gonna have like essentially boss music for like for the villager like going. Okay, so is Techno in the game? He will not be in this game. It's just this is the KMR van sort of area, so it's like it wouldn't make sense for him to be here. Why does it look a little bit blurry? I may have to go work on its like little it's looking a little bit blurry. I may need to sharpen that up a bit. Can you move? No. Excuse me? No entry. Listen, we've got 2 idiots chasing us through the fucking woods, so if you don't let us pass... Tommy. What? They're being difficult. For centuries. My ancestors... I don't know if this is the right... Is this the right sort of... Is this the right song? I don't know if this is the right song. I kind of want like a slow start. I may have to do some editing for this song. But I like what? Like, I don't know if this is the right song. Huh. Let's see. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path, and if you think that you, for a moment, that'll let someone as insignificant as you pass, you're sorely mistaken. That's it! I'm gonna start stabbing- Okay, I gotta edit shit. Okay. I don't know if Penultimate was the song I wanted to use then. I'll have to edit that later. Let's see. Okay. So, let's see. Cancel. Let's go over here. Let's see. Dungeon. That's it. I'm gonna start stabbing shit. Right here. Okay, so shit needs to go down. Down here. Okay. And so, let's see. So then, shows transfer player. No, not transfer player. What am I doing? It's show text. Let's see. Then it's gonna have Wilbur. He's gonna go, all right. The song's pretty good though. I think I just want it to be like a slow fade in, so I can go and do the editing myself with that. So that's perfectly fine. All right. Take a deep breath. Okay, then we'll have Wilbur looking kind of like nervous. He's just kind of like He's just kind of like, huh, come on, Tommy. All right. Take a deep breath. And then we're going to do another text. Show text. Where's my show text? Show text. So he says, we don't need to fight here. And so we're going to have Wilbur just looking serious. He's just like, we don't need to fight here. Don't make this a problem. I'm going to actually go over to the background music. So edit. I'm going to bring this down to... wait, what do you mean dungeon? Oh, because it was on the wrong song. That's why. Oh my god, I was like, I swear, I've never heard this song before. Oh, that's so funny. I was like, what's happening right now? Okay, abstraction, penultimate, that's what I wanted. Okay, let's hear, let's go listen to what it was actually supposed to be. I was like, what's happening? I don't remember maracas being a part of the song. Oh my god, okay. Can you move? I'm gonna turn up the volume for y'all so we can hear more. Let's see. Can you move? Let's see. No. Excuse me? No entry. Listen, we've got 2 idiots chasing us through these fucking woods, so if you don't let us pass... Tommy! What? They're being difficult. For centuries, my ancestors... I still want to, like, slow fade in. But, for centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path, and if you think that for a moment I'll let someone as insignificant as you pass, you're mistaken. Let's see. That's it! I'm gonna start stabbing shit. Alright, take a deep breath. We don't need to fight here. Yeah, I was really confused about why the song sounded like that. But, I literally just, I accidentally hit one of the dungeon sound effects, or sound, music that they provide you with the, RPG Maker. Just, like, pre-made stuff. Let's see. But yeah, so, that's the song. That's the song that I wanted to use the entire time. So I'm gonna have, like, a kind of, like, a slow kind of, lead into that. Okay, now I can play, Pebble Brain again. Let's get back here. Let's see. Okay, let's do that. All right. So, we're gonna go in here. We are going to. Okay, so after Wilbur's like, we don't need to fight here. The option that you have from there. Where did it go again? Come back here. Okay. Let's see. And then we have a show choice. Wait, show text. So then you go, let's see. So now you have a choice. Take a deep breath. Okay. And then you have a choice. You have a choice here. So you show choices. There's either choice 1. Let's see. Defaults. None. I do not want a default. Oh wait. Choice 1. Cancel. I don't want to cancel. I'm going to disallow the canceling. I don't want people to accidentally hit something here. So you can either choose to calm down. Or you can choose the option stab shit. Stab shit. I could have said that normally, like a normal person. So this will create a branching path. So if I choose something else, if I choose if you choose to calm down, something will happen. We're not actually going to see the calm down sort of bit because I still have to plan that. Let's see. I love how you drew the camera van window lighting. It's so smoothing. Thank you so much. I wanted something like really like nice and kind of like soft and like kind of nostalgic. Let's see. Oh, 2 trucks. Corey, I was on a mining spree in Minecraft and I found a stronghold out of nowhere. I found the end portal. I barely have iron right now. Oh my god. Speedrunner. Oh my god. Let's see. Maybe the what you call them. I don't know. I like it. I just have to what I have to do. I have to edit that that music file a little bit, but it'll be good. Let's see, because I do want a more kind of like digital, like sort of like chiptune sort of based soundtrack. Let's see. Okay, so we're not gonna be doing stuff for calm down. I want to know, you guys, what would you choose? In this, what would you choose? Would you choose to calm down or stab shit? Or stab shoot, stab poop? But yeah, what you call them? What would you guys choose? Because there are 2 events that'll happen, and they're both equally, I don't know if they're equally fun, but like they're both things happen deciding on what you choose. So your choices do matter here. Okay, so I'm assuming y'all answer later. Did you write the music yourself? No, absolutely not. A lot of it is kind of like free asset music, but also I have what is it? I have commissioned people and like artists to do that, to make it. Just commit some crimes, destroying a museum. Knowing Tommy, he would stab. So stab shit. So when you stab shit, Blueberry, I'm gonna need you to shut up for just a little bit. Okay, save changes to the game? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Let us begin. So, okay, Camera Van Clash. Also, it has a title now. Camera Van Clash. It is the title of the game. Okay. Can you move? Oh, I forgot. Wait, I forgot to actually transfer the player to the room. Hold on. Let's see. Wait, we start over here. Okay, so fade out. New. Transfer player. I want to transfer player to a new place. Okay. Retain direction. Okay. And new, and we're just gonna fade in screen. Okay. Let's go do this. Trust me. It's gonna be fun. It's going to be very fun. Let's go over here. So new. Okay. Can you move? No. Excuse me? No entry. Listen, we've got 2 idiots chasing us through these fucking woods, so if you don't let us pass... Tommy! What? They're being difficult. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this. This is way too loud. I'm assuming that there's gonna be some background music to begin with there. I just haven't selected it for this dungeon yet, so it'll like fade out the background music and then fade into this. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path, and if you think for a moment that'll let someone as insignificant as you pass, you're sorely mistaken. That's it. I'm gonna start stabbing shit. Let's see. All right, I'll take a deep breath. All right. Light. Okay, I spelled all right wrong the first time. Take a deep breath. We don't need to fight here. Take a deep breath so you can calm down or stab shit. We don't have anything for calm down. It'll just end the event right there. What if we stab shit? Oh, I forgot to, oh shit. Yeah. Let's see. I need to actually, oh, I forgot. Okay. So we need to do that. We need to, after we translate, before we transfer the player, we need to, get rid of the, oh, you saw the oh. Let's see. Jesus. I'm thinking the blood's a little bit too much. But, I asked my roommate, she was like, yeah, you should keep it in. Oh, God. Keep that. I just thought it would be really funny. Okay, so we do need to get rid of those flowers. So erase picture. Okay. Big problems. This was misspelled. So we need all right instead of a light. All right. Sorry if somebody pointed that out and I just didn't look at it. All right. Okay. So, let's see. We need to fade out. Okay, fade out screen. We need to introduce a wait time because, it was not nearly, there's not nearly enough time. So we're gonna wait 60 seconds for that to fully fade. Let's see. Wait. I want the volume to be all the way up. Okay. Let's see. I'm okay with this. That's amazing. It reminded me of Undertale. Hell yeah. Okay, so let's try this again. Tommy commits war crimes, the video game. It would be just funny if it turns into a angsty horror game like Amore. It's not going to, but I just like, I do like the random like little bits of like horrifying stuff. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, so, can you move? No. Excuse me? No entry. Listen, we've got 2 idiots chasing us through these fucking woods, so if you don't let us pass... Tommy! What? They're being difficult. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path, and if you think for a moment that'll let someone as insignificant as you pass, you're sorely mistaken. That's it. I'm gonna start stabbing shit. Alright, alright. Take a deep breath. Why don't we don't need to fight here. Take a deep breath. I'm gonna stab shit. No, what? How did I fuck that up this time? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Force engine. No, I have nothing that tells it to start. Did I just forget to add the erase picture 1, though? I erased the picture. But... help. Help. Oh, you know what? You know what? Okay. Let's see. Let's just make a whole, like, a new running event. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's just erase picture number 1. And then we're going to just, you know, we're just going to casually, just, you know, just have this running. Just parallel. Okay. Let's see if that'll work. It's even worse the second time. Let's go for a third time, because we need to have this work. You can see the villager slightly sticking out of the ground. There's a bump under the flowers. Yeah, you're supposed to be able to see that more, like, more. Okay, let's just go through this. Excuse me, no entry. Listen, we got 2 idiots. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Read this 20,000 times. I'm gonna start stabbing shit. Alright, take a deep breath. We don't need to fight here. Take a deep breath. Stab shit. There we go. There we go. And so we still have more stuff to add, actually. Let's see. Oh, you can walk over this now. We're gonna have this little block over here, blocked off so we can't walk on the shovel. Imagine if the nose was sticking out. Oh god. This is like something I would see in an RPG style horror game. I'm pro-pacifist. Oh god, he's dead again. How many times is he gonna die? He's gonna die one more time, because we have one more thing to do now, for this. The flowers! They stomped on the flowers! The flowers that this villager painstakingly, took care of. How dare you two! Not the pretty flowers! The villager probably had children. You know what? You know the funny thing is, when you go up into the next room up here, you happen upon a child villager over there with in his little like log house, being like, "Oh boy, can't wait for Dad to come home. Oh, what you call them? We're gonna go play catch because it's my birthday," or something like that. So if you murder the villager, you're a terrible person. I want to drive that fact home if you do choose this option, and there's going to be reminders of the fact that happened. Definitely choosing calm down when this releases, though. We're just watching you be like, as she calls. Speaking of Wilbur, so once we get into here, once we arrive in here, actually, we're gonna have another event that goes. So we're gonna have, let's see, we're gonna have like a small little weight. So we're gonna have like a 20 frame weight. It's gonna be fun. Let's see, show text. That. Let's go to Wilbur. Just what? Okay, then a new text. A show text. Can't believe. That's not how you spell believe. Believe I hid a body for you, child. Let's see. Okay. And we're also, I need to introduce a pause back over there. Let's do text. Wilbur sheet. Can't believe I hit a body for you. Okay. So we've got this below character. It doesn't matter. This will be an auto run, and then new. We're going to erase event there. Okay. So yeah, choose to save the game. All right, let's look at all of this as a whole. This is what we've accomplished today, you guys. A spell year? No! What did I do? I said boy. I hit a boy for you. No. Oh god, that's even this. Embody. Thank you. Thank you. As you can tell, spelling was not my strong suit in school. Actually, it's just like I can spell. It's just literally typing is not my strong suit, as you can see. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. The final, hopefully. The final. That says voice ops. You guys, I got it. I think you guys are behind. I forgot. Sorry. Okay. So can you move? No. Let's see. Excuse me? Just laughing. Dear God, he hit a boy. Not the boy. No entry. Listen, we've got 2 idiots chasing us through these fucking woods, so if you don't let us pass... Tommy! What? They're being difficult. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path. Yeah, it needs to be like a kind of like slow, like ease into this song. I think it definitely needs to be have edited a bit. For centuries, my ancestors have guarded this path, and if you think for a moment that'll let someone as insignificant as you pass, you're sorely mistaken. That's it! I'm gonna start stabbing shit! Alright, take a deep breath. We don't need to fight here. Take a deep breath, calm down. No, we're gonna start stabbing shit. Let's see. So what I want Wilbur standing over here, honestly, before he like goes back to or just like standing like right here and just like staring down at like the body, being like, what? Can't believe I hit a body for you, child. And then you continue on with your journey. Oh god, how many times does he need to die? Oh, I forgot I have to put the stuff right there, but I can do that later. Should we put like, I guess I'll put in some secret text over here. Yeah, and that's the part. If you do calm down, what it's essentially going to turn into is you're going to have to do this kind of like little puzzle. I want to say this puzzle or like solve like some riddles. I don't know, I think that would be really funny. Every time I see the murder, I get more sad for the boy. The boy that is what she calls him. The boy, the son that is up there in the next room waiting for his father to return. They're gonna go play catch. They're gonna go have father-son bonding moments, and they're gonna have a good relationship too. They had a best relationship. He was best dad, by the way. Very good dad. They were never meant to be. So yeah, that's what she calls it, you guys. That's what it goes. That's what it takes to make a scene. The orphan route. Wilbur watching the hidden boy. Ew. I'm still panicking. We saw a child murder an older villager 4 times. But yeah, what she calls them. That's basically all we're gonna do today, you guys. That's what we're gonna do today. I guess this is the last call for like any questions. The blood splatter makes it so much worse. I know, that's why I was like, I could either like have it just like wholesome, be like, oh, what happened over there? But I kind of like the blood splatter. It looks like barbecue sauce. Yeah, that's all it is. Shrill look kicks. It's just barbecue sauce. At least replant the flowers, Tommy. That's brutal. Why must you do this to us? It's very funny. That's why. And just imagine Tommy's playing this, if it ever happens, and he's just like, yeah, I'm gonna stab shit. thinks that he's gonna have a battle with the villager, and now he just finds out that he brutally murdered a villager. It'd be very, very funny. But yeah, whatchacallsums. Okay, last questions, you guys. I don't just read a comment that I was like, what? Any last questions? Anything you want to ask about the game while I am here? It's catch up. Yes, it's catch up. It's definitely catch up. What version of RPG Maker am I using? I'm using RPG Maker MC with a heckin' bit of plugins as well. Let's see, if you are if you're wondering what plugins they are, I do go through them earlier in the VOD. It will be available on my channel. So that's all good. I hope Tommy plays this. I hope so too. I hope they have, like, I hope the people in the Dream SMP like find this fun, or they don't, as long as they just don't hate it and they're just like, what nerd made this? Nerd, go touch some grass, you nerd. What sort of game is this gonna be again? It's gonna be an RPG game. Think Undertale-ish, sort of like Legend of Zelda sort of thing. Or not Legend of Zelda, that has a whole other fighting system. But yeah, just think sort of Undertale, Deltarune. If you played Heartbound, I think more of that. If Tommy plays this, I would love to watch it. Yeah, whatchacallsums. I would too. I would be terrified, actually. You inspired me to make my own pixelated game. Hell yeah! I'm glad. Whatchacallsums. More people should make games. Games are fun. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think that is gonna be it for today. We hit 2 hours. Wow, we did so good. Yeah, whatchacallsums. I'm sure they'll love it. Oh, I hope so. I really hope so. I know Rambu's already seen the game, a bit of the game. He saw the video I made where I included, or I was making his character encounter, and he said that he was looking forward to seeing like where it goes. And so I hope it lives up. I hope it lives up to the hype. I'm gonna work really, really hard to make sure that does. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I'm gonna be streaming more often on here. I do actually enjoy I did actually enjoy streaming here today. Maybe I'll like do like a more more streams on YouTube more often. Not like I want to keep it to game dev because that's sort of what my channel is like featured around. But maybe I could do it like once or twice a month. I don't know. It would be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I will be back on Tuesday on Twitch. It's Pink Cory, Pinkcori, Pink Cory on Twitch. I will be back on Tuesday with either some more game dev or probably some just Minecraft. I've been playing a lot of Minecraft recently. But yeah, okay, guys. I will